for pre-made pouch. It's suitable for different kinds of powder packing. The machine includes 3 parts: the filling conveyor, after filler, and the pre-made pouch filling sealing machine. Now, let's see the whole machine procedure. Firstly, powder product will be put into the storage hopper. Then, screw conveyor will feed the powder up to the other filler hole. The screw inside the other filler is customized to measure the powder for filling. When the product is ready, we can prepare the pre-made pouch to put on the filling conveyor. Then, the machine hand will pick up the pouch vertically, one by one. At the same time, the encoder will print the date on the pouch. Pouch will go for next station for bag opening. After opening, the bag will deliver to next station for powder filling from other filler. Filling, the back mouth will be leveling by machine for back filling. While the filling draw to ensure the filling is not in good status. Lastly, the finished bag comes out from the output conveyor. For the dusty powder, we have the optional device of the vacuum cleaner to avoid the powder dusting around.